Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new category in Expensify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to create a clean, consistent category your team can use on expenses and reports. Start by opening a browser and heading to the new Expensify homepage. Make sure you're signed in and that you have the right permissions for the workspace you're updating. Categories live inside a workspace, so you'll be adding the new category to a specific area your team shares. On the left-hand side, look for the navigation panel. There you'll see an option called Workspaces. Go ahead and click it. If you're part of more than one workspace, you'll see a list. Choose the workspace where you want this new category to appear. In many examples, you'll see a sample workspace name, but in your account, it'll reflect your organization or project. Open that workspace to get to its management dashboard. Inside the workspace, find the categories section. This is where all existing categories are listed, like travel, meals, or software, depending on how your team is set up. Click Categories to open the category management page. Now look toward the top right area of the screen for the Add Category button. This is your shortcut to create something new without disrupting any existing settings. Click Add Category and a form or input field will appear. Enter the name of your new category, keep it short, specific, and consistent with your existing naming style so teammates instantly understand when to use it. Examples might include client meals, team offsites, or software subscriptions. If your organization uses accounting integrations or coding conventions, match the wording to what your finance team expects. Clear names reduce back and forth during review and reconciliation. Once you've typed the category name, click Save. Expensify will add it to the list right away. Take a moment to confirm it appears where you expect and that it's visible to the team members who need it. If your plan includes additional fields like account codes, tax settings, or policy level rules, you can review those later to align this category with your reporting and accounting workflows. That's it. You navigated to your workspace, opened the categories area, added a new category, named it clearly, and saved your changes. As a quick tip, establish a simple naming convention and stick to it, and avoid duplicates that can confuse submitters. With this approach, your reports stay clean, your reviewers work faster, and your accounting stays accurate. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Expensify.